guys, so productivity is another good niche that you might want to get in or you are in already. So I'm going to be giving you niche and keyword, what is trending in this niche right now. That's what I'm going to be giving you right now. So let's go into it right now. So let's just come right here, come back right here, and just come right here to trend and currently trending in the productivity. Let's just do productivity, not arc. Let's just go search right now. Then this is going to analyze and it's going to scan through the whole entire YouTube channel, and it's going to find out the videos that are in the productivity niche, and it's going to give us the video that are really doing well in this niche, and it's going to craft out to us how we can create our own video, how we can come about our own video. You can see all the data that is giving us in the last 30 days. It's giving us all the data. So if you want this data that is AI is giving me right now, just let me know in the comment section below right now, and I'm going to make it available. You can see the view is getting within a day. All of the view, all the data, this AI is going to get it for us, and you can just copy these or download these and then analyze it to craft out your own video and all that. See this this VidIQ is so fantastic. After he's done doing this one, it's going to now give us a video idea how we need to go about our video. It's going to give us the idea of where how we need to come in so that our video can blow up, so that our video can do very well. I hope you're learning something from this video that I'm sharing with you right now. Don't just see all this data that this AI is generating, that this AI is giving me right now. Just make sure you do with this analysis that you're seeing on my screen. Like I said, let me know if you want this this analytics, this data that you're seeing here right now. I'm going to download it and then make it available for you right now. So you see, after it's done right here, it's going to give us all of this. You can see which trend fit your current top video right now. You can see it's going to give us, so you want to give us idea of what kind of video we can create, how we need to go about this trending thing that he has analyzed for us. It's going to give us what topic you need to go about. It's probably going to generate a script for us. It's going to tell us how many minutes the video is going to be. If you want you to do short, it's going to tell you do short video. If you want to do long, it will tell you go with a longer video. These are all the things that we can do with this VidIQ AI. So I'm going to put a link down below this video so it can take you to this VidIQ AI and you can start using it right now, or you can let me know if you want this data available for you in the comment section, man. I'll see you guys on the next one, man. I still remain one and only 2 to the BLE double S, too blessed. That's what they call me. Peace, and I'm out right now.